Welcome to my presentation. In question 3, I chose use of AI for e-commerce. Why I chose this one? Why use AI for e-commerce? Because uh, the AI offers the new opportunity for the e-commerce business to better understand their customer, analyze the customer data, and enhance the overall user experience. With the advance of the AI technology, online business can now deliver a smarter service and drive more sales. And because the modern e-commerce platform generate massive amount of the transactional and behavioral data every day, it is difficult for humans to process and analyze all of it in real time. So the AI can help this uh, complex data to analyze them. AI can quickly and accurately analyze the large volume of the customer and sales data. It helps the business predict trends and understand the different customer segments and make more marketing and operational decisions. And for example, AI can optimize the inventory management and allocate marketing budget and more effectively, and even identify new market opportunities. And because the customer increasingly value a sense of being understood, and one size fit all marketing no longer meets their diverse needs. So use AI to create a more personalized brand experience is important. AI enhance the brand communication through the personalized recommendation and messages. It allows the business to deliver more relevant content and making their brand positioning more precise and engaging for for shoppers. And because the daily e-commerce operation involves the repetitive uh, rep, repetitive tasks such as inventory updates, customer service response, and advertisement management. And these tasks are error-prone and costly when handled manually. So use the AI to improve the productivity is important. AI can automate many of the routine manual tasks in e-commerce workflows, and this increase operation efficiency and reduce the need for human for the manpower and help ensure smoother business process. And what is the artificial intelligence? The artificial intelligence refers to development of the i- intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. It involves the use of complex algorithms, such as machine learning and historical data analysis to solve the challenging problem in areas such as customer behavior, inventory management, and user experience. And in the evolving digital environment, AI tools have the potential to transform e-commerce by providing the intelligent and data-driven solutions that help business operate more effectively and competitively. And AI is brought field that includes several key components. The first one is the data mining. This is the process of collecting and analyzing the current and historical data to make the predictions. And the second one is the natural language processing. It focuses on the interaction between the humans and computers, enabling the machine to understand and interpret the human language. And and then the machine learning, it used the algorithms to learn from past experience or data to solve the problem more effectively. And the last one is the deep learning. It is a subset of the machine learning that use layer algorithm to better understand the process, compose and understand and process the complex data. And in recent year, AI technology has matured significantly and are now powerful tools for boosting the sales and optimize the operations. Even the smart e-commerce business are adopting this Even the small e-commerce business adopting the AI-powered tools to enhance their performance and customer engagement. And then, uh, how is AI applied in real-world e-commerce scenario? The first one is the personalized recommendation through the customer data analysis. The AI algorithm can analyze the customer data, such as the previous purchase, browsing history, then to generate the personalized product suggestions. By understand each customer's preference, e-commerce platform can recommend more relevant products and enhance the shopping experience and increase the sales. And the second one is the AI-powered pricing optimization tools. These tools evaluate the customer behavior and market trends and other real-time factors to determine the best price for each product or service. And the dynamic pricing ensure that the price remain the competitive and up to date, which helps boost both sales volume and overall profitability. And then, uh, and the other one is the automation. The first automation is the logistics. AI-powered logistics system use the machine learning to optimize supply chains and improve the operation efficiency. And they analyze the data from sensor and IoT device to enable real-time shipment tracking and monitoring. This helps ensure timely delivery and reduce the risk of the delay or human errors. And AI can also optimize the transportation routes and schedules, which lowers the delivery cost and shorten the shipping time. By leveraging the smart logistics, e-commerce business can streamline operations and enhance the customer satisfaction. And the another one is the AI demand forecasting tools. It uses the machine learning algorithm to analyze the customer sales data and market trends and other factors to predict the future demand for the product or service. And these tools help the business to improve inventory management and supply chain responsiveness by optimizing the stock levels, reducing the risk of overstocking or stock outs. And the demand forecasting also supports the identifications of market trends and opportunities, enabling the e-commerce business to adjust their strategy and maintain a competitive edge. By leveraging the AI-powered e-commerce technologies, company can also make smarter and more accurate decisions. And this is the end of my presentation about the use of AI in e-commerce. And this one is this page is the reference. There are four websites are used in my presentation. Thank you for listening.